Well, it's a big job getting by with 3 kids and a wife. But I've been working, man, dang near all my life. And I keep on working, long as these 2 hands are fit to use. Well, I drink my beer in the tap room, sing a little bit of these working man blues. Keep my nose to the grindstone, work hard every day. I might get a little tight on the weekend after I draw my pay. But I go back to work. Come a Monday morning, I'm right back with the crew. Well, I'm drink my beer in the evening, sing a bit of these working man blues. Sometimes I think about leaving, maybe do a little running around. Throw my bills out the window, take a train to another town. But I'm back working. I gotta buy my kids a brand new pair of shoes. Well, I bring a little more of the tavern, sing with these working man blues. welcome back to Carmine's Country Corner. What a show we got for them tonight, Paul.
Huh?
I said, what a show we got for these
What a
folks
show we
tonight.
got tonight.
Unbelievable. Frog came up.
Frog is here.
He's going to do a song, couple maybe. And then we got Tom Paul Wilson's back.
Get out of here.
Unbelievable. He's going to get up, do something with us. And then we have a special little guest artist. And you know this young
I
lady.
know Katie.
Katie is the sweetest thing. I just met her a month ago a few times. You know, I got her to come down to Knott's Berry Farm with us, and I talked to the powers to be, and she got up and played with us down at Knott's, and it was so much fun.
I bet she did. She's a great player.
She's a good player. She's a beautiful, cute little girl with a great personality, and I think she's going to be a star one day. You watch.
Could happen.
It could happen. I'm telling you, she's on the right road. So anyway, and I got a lot of echo again, and I don't know what's going on. Anyway, I think that's a little close, but that's cool. So we're up here at Bob Smith Toyota. Happy New Year to everybody. And we brought it in strong. Everybody's safe, healthy, and good, but smooth,
So
clean,
far, so good.
smooth transition from 24 to 25.
2025 is working out really well.
Oh, so far it's been a
Right?
great year.
I've made a minimum of mistakes so far.
Well, I made a whole bunch of them, but nobody noticed. So the slate is still pretty clean, I think. But anyway, they're working me quite a bit down at Knott's. I'm down there like 3 nights a week for the next 2 months or something, I
Good.
think. So, which is a lot of fun for us. I work with Tom Corbin, who I think you know. And,
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I love Tom Corbett.
Yeah, Eric Gorsett, and a great guy. He whistles really cool during the show. He whistles great. He does all these really weird kind of sounds. I don't know how he does it. And that's a guy named Rick Story. Do you happen to know him at all?
I do not, but
Well, he's a cool banjo player.
okay.
And he's got a Telecaster with a beat bender. He's
Okay.
a good Telecaster player
Yeah.
and a great acoustic player.
Okay.
So when I'm working with him, we have a lot of fun.
All right.
Because there's a lot of little things happening. So, hey, in fact, Rick, I think I'm going to see you tomorrow. I think tomorrow, like 12 o'clock, I got to be there to start doing some playing.
Will he come up here?
Oh, wait,
sometime?
my wife, I said the wrong thing again. Go ahead.
Tuesday. You're gonna be with Rick on Tuesday.
Oh, I said tomorrow. See, I think this is Monday, see.
What?
I don't know
I don't
why.
know what day it is.
Folks, I'll be there on Tuesday.
Yes, it's
I
Monday.
got to back that up. I'm sorry. We just got to deal with it because I can't do it. And we'll get that monitor for you whenever we get it. But I got it. I'm going to turn it away from me. Sorry, folks. The thing was feeding back and it makes me crazy. Okay, so we're going to do another song next one. Hit us with something.
All right. You ready, Paul?
Just about.
All right.
Give it a try.
Hello.
You want to back closer?
I didn't
I'll
change
try
yours
to-
at all.
It's all right.
Yeah, it's
I'm a
okay.
professional. I deal with it.
Yep.
Go for it.
All right. One for me, G.
G.
2. I want. Everybody's going out, having fun. Just a fool for staying home, having none. Can't get over out here setting free. Whoa, lonesome me. Big mistake I know I made, hanging round.
head
Swan,
just now
that was a good song at the right time.
at the right time.
I love it. So up here at Bob's Toyota, we're starting off a brand new year, 1925. 2025. I'm only 80 years old. I got enough room to do that, you know. Anyway,
1925 was the year my mother was born.
yeah, my dad was 1906, I think.
She'd be 100 this year. Unfortunately, she's not around, but
Well,
I remember her anyway.
I do too.
Yeah.
I think I remember your mom. Of course
bet you
I
do.
I
Oh, yeah.
remember your dad for sure. Anyway, yeah, brand new year. Hope you all do well. Hope it's good to everybody. And Frog, come on up. We got to get this thing going here. Damn.
I would like to remind you that Bob Smith Toyota is white.
I gotta make it over the booby.
Told him, don't give no more cars away.
He'd give him away, but his wife won't let him, right? Hup, hip, bang, hook, bam.
That's how we lost the last drummer. He wasn't on top of them.
Well, okay, he's getting dressed.
I'm getting
Yeah, okay.
You look good there, kid.
Well, that thing looks like it's broken. Is that broken? Am I talking to myself here, Carmine? We're on the air.
Yeah, I know, I'm waiting. Do you need a pick?
Frog is ready to do an hour and a half show.
All right, Frog. You can sit, you can stand, do whatever you want, boss.
Can I lay down?
Yeah, if you want to.
Okay.
Set that one. Let me turn this away from that one. I'm sorry, folks. I don't usually have to do this, but it's part of what the deal is. I think we're a little loud, so everybody turn down, please.
Okay,
Except for
knocking
me,
on
trying to
heaven's
stop.
door in G.
All right, Frog. What do you got? Kia G?
Kia G, knocking
Okay.
on heaven's door. Mama, take this bag away from me. I can't use it anymore. It's getting dark, too dark to see. Mama put my guns in the ground. I can't shoot them anymore. That long black cloud is coming down. Feel I'm knocking on heaven's door. Knocking on heaven's door. Knocking on heaven's door. Knocking on heaven's door. Knocking on heaven's door.
Thank you, Frog. Good job.
Okay, let's get
How about a hand for Frog? If we have time, we'll get you up near the end of the show, get you to do another one.
Yeah, well, that one was long enough so I could.
Well, that was perfect, and thank you. Susan, whenever Susan walks closer to me, I'm either in trouble or something.
You're in trouble.
Yeah, thanks, Paul. Can you handle it for me? Talk to him. Okay. What do you got? Oh, you're just taking pictures? Oh, well, thank you. That's great. That's great. Paul,
Carmen.
hit us with another one.
All right. Let's do Hey Good Looking. Key of C 251. Key of C.
Come to give me a help on
Well, hey, good looking. What you got cooking? How's about cooking something up with me? Hey, sweet baby, don't you think maybe we something up with me. One more time, Carmen. Come on. I'm going through my big book over the fence. Buy me 1, 4, 5, or 10 cents. Keep your toys covered in days. Come run your name down every page. Hey, get a look at what's my cooking? How's about cooking something up with me? So how's about cooking something up? How's about cooking something up? How's about cooking something up with me?
Yeah.
You stole Dr. Teresa's song.
How what?
You
Oh,
stole
did I? I didn't know she was gonna do that.
She's not gonna do anything tonight.
Okay.
She usually does that song.
Well, then, sorry.
Anyway, Dr. Teresa, every time I get her up, she does that song.
Okay.
So she'll have to do something else. Teresa, get up here real quick. Last minute, do a quick one. Give us a key.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. We're going to start the new year out with a bunch of our friends that come in and sit in once in a while and they support the show. And
How about Since I Met You, Baby?
let's do it.
Aubrey Joe Hunter?
Sure. What key?
What key?
What?
C?
G?
G.
Okay, you got it.
Is that good?
Give him an idea what tempo you want.
Oh, okay.
About there? Okay, one on one. Either one. Hey. Since I met you, baby, is that the song?
Since I met you, baby, my whole life has changed. Since I met you, baby, my whole life has changed. And everybody tells me
Nothing like a triplet field. Love it. Good job.
Thank you.
All right, Paul.
Yes,
Your turn, I guess.
okay.
We're gonna get Tom up in a minute.
Can I
Tom, get ready.
People
get whatever that means.
Get ready.
What? After this one, okay. So we didn't need all that information, but that's okay.
surprise?
What do you got, Paul?
Let's do,
Trying to get you both to quit looking at each
Is everything okay, Sue?
Yes, I'm
Okay.
just waiting for Katie.
Oh, we're doing that in a minute. We're gonna do it.
Kia D, I still miss someone.
Good song. Right after this song, tell Tom he's gonna wait. Katie's up next.
Coming in on
Save
the
her for
floor.
last, and we'll get her up now.
Kia D coming in on the 4. 1, 2, 3.
At my door, the leaves are falling. A cold white wind will come. Sweethearts walk by together, and I still miss someone. And I never got over those blue eyes. I see them everywhere. I miss those arms that held me when all the love was there. Well, I'll go out on a party, look for a little fun, but I find it dark and cold, 'cause I still miss someone, and I never got over those blue eyes. I see them everywhere. I miss those arms that held me when all the love was there. I wonder if she's sorry for leaving what we begun. There's someone for me somewhere, and I still miss someone, and I never got over those blue eyes. I see them everywhere. I miss those arms that held me when all the love was there. When all her love was there.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Come on up, Katie. You're up next. So I just met this young lady about a month ago, and her father and I do business together. And he said my daughter plays the fiddle, a violin. I don't know what she calls it. I call it a fiddle. And then it turns out that she's been practicing and doing some program with, and Paul's the bass player with John Davis.
Yep, yep.
And I love John, of course, give him my best.
We have a fun bluegrass jam camp,
Yeah,
and Katie's been coming for, I don't know, 3 times, I think, at least, right?
good.
And we just have a ball.
Yep.
Yeah.
So like I said the other day, we invited her down to Knott's Berry Farm, and boy, she's a tough old bird. She got right up there and played like she owned the joint. So we were very happy to have you with us on that day, Katie. All right, step over by Paul. You want to use my mic here? I think this was the one. Come right here and have nothing but fun. Let me know what key we're in, and I'll turn it down a little for you. That's only fair.
I think this first one we're gonna do is called Liberty.
Okay, what key?
Key of D.
Key dog?
Dog.
Doggy.
Cherokee Shuffle, or we can do
Jambalaya?
Jambalaya, and you wanna try, which one do you wanna do?
Cherokee.
Up to you. You wanna try Cherokee Shuffle? Is that a yes? Okay. I'm gonna do Cherokee Shuffle in the key of A.
Well,
It's not a
How's it go?
shuffle,
Straight
it's
ahead?
a train beat, isn't it?
So there's a quick F sharp minor in it.
Okay.
That's all you need to know.
I know what that one is.
He's asking Paul.
I'll let you two
I
handle
know
it.
better than, it's a train beat, even though it's called a shuffle.
Is there one? How about a hand for Katie? Come on, she did a great job again. You are now officially a member of the Carmine's Country Corner crowd. Now we'll get you back up here again from time to time. We're going to feature this young lady. I think she made us look pretty good, Paul, didn't she?
so.
Yeah, I think she brought the whole thing up a notch.
Yes, sir.
I love it. Okay, see how I threw my friend Tom Paul under the bus? Did you notice that?
No,
He's got to follow Katie.
Tom's
It's so
gonna
easy.
make a phone call now. I think he's calling his
Yeah, but
lawyer.
he wore his rock and roll jacket.
I love that jacket.
You like that?
Yeah, it's a good looking deal.
Yeah, I figured I gotta wear something for once, right?
Yeah, looks great.
I can't find a hat that fits my head. If anybody's got a size 8 cowboy hat, I'm looking into it.
What about that great big one over there?
It won't fit. Yeah, it won't
It's
fit.
big on the outside, but small on the inside. Is that
Yeah.
a problem?
Well, you talking about my head?
Your head's big. Your head's big all over.
I do. All right.
So Tom was off for a little while, and now he's back in town. It's so good to see you again. How's your lovely wife Adele?
She's great. She's
Give her
running,
my love, and everybody's good.
running marathons and living life.
Yeah, Kim's been doing a lot of that too lately.
Yes, she
Running
is.
around, Yeah.
Yeah, we talked.
And you talk to Jason often. Now I met Tom through my son Jason, and he and Jason go way back. They did a whole bunch of fun stuff together, and so I thanked him for that.
I don't know who you're talking about.
Yeah, I know. You guys had a fight again?
No, he's like my little brother. I love him.
He is, and he loves you too, believe me.
But I just this 1925. We talked about 1925 a little bit.
What happened in 1925?
Well, the first mechanical demonstration of the mechanical television. Yeah. The first female governor, Wyoming. Congratulations, Wyoming.
That's what happened to that state.
Hold on a minute now.
Go ahead.
The Chrysler Corporation is founded.
Oh.
Yeah, but we believe in Toyotas around here. Just Great Gatsby was published. Battleship 1925. So all these things could happen, like in these types of things could happen this year.
Unbelievable.
Right?
Do I have time to get a sandwich?
You can take a nap if you want. I almost did. What are we doing then, Tom?
Knock knock on the heaven's door.
No.
I'm kidding.
I'll see.
On a long, lonesome highway east of Omaha, you can listen to the engines rolling around as one long song. You think about a woman or a girl you knew the night before. Your thoughts soon be wandering the way they always do when you're riding 16 hours and there's nothing left to do. Don't feel much like riding, you just wish the trip was through. Here I am on the road again. Here I am on the stage. Here I go, playing the store again. Here I go, turn the page. Come on, Gary, give me some money. Make it sweet. Most times you can't hear them talk, other times you can. All the same old cliches, woman or a man, but you always seem outnumbered. You don't dare make a stand. Out there in the spotlight, you're a million miles away. With every ounce of energy you try to give away, and the sweat pours out your body like the music that you play. Later in the evening, as you lie awake in bed, the echoes of the amplifiers ringing in your head. You smoke the day's last cigarette, remembering what you said. I am on the road again. Here I am on the stage. Here I go, playing the storm again. Here I go, turn the page. Come on, take us out. Nailed that one.
Did I do all right?
Yes, you did.
Nice job, Tom.
Thanks.
Huh?
Nice job.
Oh, thank you. It's not
Do
really,
one more,
it's
Tom.
it's only a job if you get paid.
We're gonna go a little over, so be patient. I haven't done one, I feel like singing.
All right, Paul, do this, let's go back and forth. I'll start, you do the next, I'll do the last.
If I remember.
Okay, if you don't, then I'll jump in then. Living on the road, my friend, gonna keep us free and clean. Now you wear your skin like iron, your breast as hard as kerosene. Weren't your mama's only boy, but a favorite one it seems. She began to cry when you said goodbye and sank into your dream. Pancho's a bandit boys, horses fast as polished steel. Wore his gun outside his pants for all the honest world feel. Pancho met his match, you know, the desert down in Mexico. Nobody heard his dying word. Oh, but that's the way it goes. All the fairies say they cut a hide any day. They only let 'em go so long. Lefty, he can't sing the blues all night long like he used to. Goes to punch a bit down south, ended up in Lefty's mouth. The day that little Pancho Lefty split for Ohio, bread to Poets tell how Pancho fell. Lefty's living in a cheap motel. The desert's quiet, Cleveland's cold. So the story ends, we're told. Pancho needs your prayers, it's true. Save a few for Lefty too. He only did what he had to do. Now he's grown old. All the family say they could have any day. They only let 'em go so long. Only let 'em go so long. Out of kindness, I We'll work on that outro. Some of it was pretty good though.
Snuck up on me.
That's it.
I thought we were gonna keep going for a while.
Well, I didn't know.
All right, we're gonna do another.
Thank you, Karma.
If you're done with the camera, or you can just play with him if you want to,
Okay.
or you can get down, whatever you want to do. Going out on the highway, listen to the big trucks whine. Going out on the highway, listen to the big trucks whine. That white freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. Bad news from Houston, half my friends have died. Bad news from Houston, half my friends have died. That white freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. That old dog fight, people there will treat you fine. That old dog fight, people there will treat you fine. My freight line is gonna satisfy my knocked it out. It was fun. Paul, I think we got everybody up. It's a little after. Do one more and take us home.
Okay.
Hey, folks, thanks for watching. We had a lot of fun. Thank you, Dr. Teresa. Thank you, Frog. Thanks, Tom. Kim, thank you for all your hard work. Thanks for all you people that showed up. And how about a special hand for our little special guest, Katie? And we'll have her back soon. Katie, great job, honey. You're welcome here anytime. You know that. Just show up and we're going to let you play. See you next week, folks.
Let's do Dark Hollow.
Do it.
Hey. Dark Hollow. 1, 2, 1.
I'd rather be in some dark hollow where the sun don't ever shine than to be in some big city in a small room with a girl on my mind. So